Hi there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove green screen backgrounds in CapCut. So I have a few green screen assets here that I want to add to. I'll start by dragging them into my timeline. So over in the inspector, go from basic to remove BG, click on chroma key and click on the green color in the background. So once you've done that, the background should have been removed and we can drag it over our original clip. Play it and there. So as you can see, the green screen has disappeared and the text is over a transparent background. So I'm just gonna move it around a bit and let's add a fade in. This time we'll do the fade in manually using opacity. I'll set a keyframe here and here. So let's click this small arrow to go to the last keyframe, set this to 0, and now it should fade in from that point. So this offers a little more fine control over using the effects and the built-in fade-in effects in CapCut. Sometimes they can also be a little glitchy, and I'm not exactly sure why. It might have something to do with the recent updates they did, but yeah. So now I kind of just do it manually. So now we'll do the same for the fade out, and now it should fade in and fade out along with our video. How about something a little more challenging though? Since this subscribe asset has high contrasting colors, it's really easy to chroma key. But let's try a cat, our little furry friend. Let's do the same thing. Move to remove background tab, click on chroma key, click on the green, and so far it's done a pretty good job on its own. But if we zoom in, you can see there's still a little bit of green left and the edges look a little jagged. So let's try to add a little bit of feathering to it to filter and maybe increase the intensity a little. That way it removes more. Maybe about there's alright. There. See what shadow does. Shadow doesn't seem to make much of a difference. Might just be placebo, but up the intensity just a little more. There we go. That looks a lot cleaner than what we originally had. There's still a little bit of green left. If you want, you can fine tune this a little more, up the intensity a little more, and get it to fit your image perfectly. So let's adjust it. Let's also move it around. Zoom back out. Zoom back in. Put him on the bottom. About there. Nope. Trying to get his feet lined up. There we go. So now he should just pop in. Yep. So that was how to remove green screen backgrounds from green screen assets in CapCut. I hope you learned something new and thank you for watching.